Here's a great deal on a 2008 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, speed-sensitive wipers, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.